Helping my aging father in and out of the bathtub used to be terrifying. One morning, a cheap transfer bench wobbled, jammed mid-slide, and nearly caused a dangerous fall right over the tub wall. Buying a sliding transfer bench seems simple, but flimsy rails, sticky sliders, and poor clearance ruin most options. To spare you that nightmare, I spent weeks testing the top models on the market. In this video, I'll reveal the 5 best sliding transfer benches for bathtubs, and wait until you see number 1, which completely eliminates physical strain with a game-changing feature. 5. DMI Duro-Med Sliding Tub Transfer Bench and Shower Chair. When I unboxed this bench, I appreciated its straightforward, tool-free assembly and lightweight rust-resistant aluminum frame. It supports up to 400 pounds and features a basic blow-molded plastic seat with a removable perineal cutout for personal hygiene, alongside a reversible backrest that allows you to configure it for either left or right-hand tub entry. During my hands-on testing, the basic sliding mechanism performed adequately for simple transfers. You sit on the bench seat outside the bathtub, slide along the dual aluminum rails, and lock the seat into position once you are safely inside the tub. The height-adjustable legs allow for roughly 4 inches of adjustment in 1-inch increments, and the outer suction cup feet do a decent job gripping the floor surface once properly weighted down. However, after putting it through several real-world trials, several frustrating drawbacks quickly became apparent. The unpadded, hard plastic seat gets uncomfortably cold to the touch and offers virtually no cushion, which would be painful for elderly users or anyone dealing with sensitive skin. Furthermore, the sliding action feels quite rigid and clunky. The seat frequently stutters along the aluminum tracks unless you push with considerable force, making independent transfers almost impossible for users with limited upper body strength. Additionally, the safety latch mechanism feels cheap and tricky to operate with wet or arthritic hands, raising genuine safety concerns during wet shower conditions. The rigid outer frame legs also sit far outside the tub wall, making it nearly impossible to seal a standard shower curtain properly, resulting in significant water leaking onto the bathroom floor after every use. 4. Platinum Health Premium HydroGlyde Sliding Tub Transfer Bench. Right out of the box, this unit immediately catches your eye with its high visibility, bright blue seat, and matching assist handle. This striking color scheme isn't just for aesthetics. It is designed specifically to help vision-impaired users or those afflicted with dementia easily distinguish the chair from surrounding white bathroom tiles and white porcelain tubs. Built with a robust, lightweight, and entirely rust-proof aluminum chassis, it supports an impressive 420 pounds and features a brilliant toolless assembly design that takes most people less than 5 minutes to fully set up. When I put the HydroGlyde through its paces, the sliding motion was noticeably smoother and far more refined than the DMI model, largely thanks to its highly polished aluminum glide tubes. The removable seat cutout makes personal cleansing incredibly convenient without requiring the user to stand up, and the heavy-duty side assist handle provides a highly reassuring, solid grip while transitioning your weight across the tub barrier. I also highly appreciated the precision height-adjustable legs, which offer half-inch increments rather than full inches, allowing for a much more precise, wobble-free level fit against uneven bathtub rims and sloping bathroom floors. Despite these notable upgrades, my rigorous hands-on testing highlighted a few critical drawbacks that prevent the HydroGlyde from climbing any higher on our list today. Most notably, the seat surface itself remains completely unpadded, molded hard plastic. While it is certainly highly durable, it can cause uncomfortable pressure points and painful skin friction during longer bathing sessions, especially for users who lack natural body padding. 3. ShowerGlyde Model SG2 Sliding Shower Transfer Bench. This cleverly engineered piece of equipment solves one of the absolute biggest architectural headaches in home healthcare: navigating incredibly tight bathrooms where the toilet is positioned directly adjacent to the bathtub. Designed from the ground up with an extended, specialized rail system, the SG2 allows users to slide effortlessly from sitting directly over the toilet seat, straight over the tub wall, and directly into the shower enclosure without ever needing to stand up or bear weight on their legs. During my intensive testing, the sheer versatility of the SG2 was immediately impressive and deeply functional. It comes equipped with a highly versatile 3-in-1 commode seat system that includes an open commode opening for over-the-toilet use, a comfortable reducer ring insert, and a solid seat insert that completely closes the opening for standard, comfortable shower transfers. The heavy-duty aluminum rails feel exceptionally sturdy and rigid, smoothly bridging the terrifying gap between the toilet area and the bathtub enclosure while maintaining complete, rock-solid frame stability under maximum weight load. The sliding performance on the ShowerGlyde SG2 is a massive leap forward compared to standard models. It utilizes high-precision glide tracks that lock securely and audibly in two distinct positions, both outside safely over the toilet and inside securely over the tub basin. I particularly loved the highly thoughtful inclusion of the integrated wall-side grab bar. This bar provides fantastic, sturdy leverage, allowing individuals with even moderate upper body strength to pull and slide themselves independently across the entire length of the track with minimal physical effort or track friction. 2. Eagle Health Supplies Tub Mount Swivel Sliding Transfer Bench. If you have a highly compact bathroom where traditional floor-leg transfer benches stick out awkwardly, block the doorway, or create severe tripping hazards for caregivers, this space-saving design is an absolute revelation. Instead of relying on sprawling outer legs that sit completely outside on your wet tile floor, this ingeniously designed bench clamps securely and directly onto the structural edge of your bathtub wall, keeping your bathroom floor entirely clear, open, and hazard-free. Putting this specific model through my daily testing routine was an absolute joy, entirely because of its genius 360-degree swivel seat mechanism. The seat swivels incredibly effortlessly and locks securely into place every 90 degrees. This allows the user to sit down, comfortably facing outward toward the room, pivot their legs smoothly over the tub wall without lifting them manually or twisting their spine, and then slide 8.5 inches along the heavy-duty aluminum track directly into the bathing area. This seamless rotation dramatically reduces severe hip, knee, and lower back strain for both the user and their assisting caregiver. The structural stability of the tub mount clamping system is deeply impressive and incredibly reassuring. Once properly clamped onto standard tub walls measuring between 13 and 17.5 inches high, the solid metal frame absolutely does not budge a single millimeter, holding up to 350 pounds with complete confidence and zero flex. Crucially, because there are absolutely no outer legs cluttering the bathroom floor, you can easily pull your standard shower curtain completely tight right around the tub clamp, almost completely eliminating the terrifying slips and falls caused by water splashing and leaking onto your floor. 1. Platinum Health Carousel Sliding Transfer Shower Bench. If you want the absolute safest, most comfortable, and most luxurious sliding transfer bench on the market today, look no further than this masterpiece. The Carousel completely redefines the concept of home bath safety by entirely replacing cold, hard, slippery plastic surfaces with medical-grade, warm-to-touch closed-cell polyurethane padding across the entire seating surface, the supportive backrest, and both of the dual armrests. During my extensive hands-on testing, the Carousel delivered an absolutely unmatched level of comfort and physical security. The premium closed-cell foam padding never absorbs a single drop of water, wipes clean completely effortlessly in seconds, and completely prevents the agonizing skin tears, deep bruising, and cold temperature shocks that plague elderly users during bathing. Furthermore, the beautifully engineered built-in 360-degree swivel seat rotates with zero resistance, while the incredibly sturdy, fully padded armrests flip up completely out of the way for incredibly easy, zero-clearance lateral wheelchair transfers. The horizontal sliding mechanism on the Carousel is undeniably buttery smooth, gliding effortlessly across the rust-proof aluminum rails with virtually zero physical exertion required from the user or the caregiver. The plush seat locks securely and audibly at both extreme ends of travel, and the high-contrast bright blue padding makes it exceptionally easy for vision-impaired or cognitively challenged users to accurately judge seat depth and positioning before sitting. For those needing even more physical assistance, Platinum Health even offers a premium power slide version of this exact chair, featuring push-button electric horizontal motion that glides the user across the tub wall entirely automatically.